Welcome everyone. Today we are going to do determiners. Determiners are very important and we are sometimes very much doubtful about it because it consists of many things. It is not only about a particular word. This one word determiner consists of many things. Let us see what are the determiners. So these are actually those words which make the nouns more specific. So in simple words I can say before the nouns the words which are used to make noun more specific, that is determiner. And actually we know about adjectives, they qualify a noun. So there can be a question, are adjective determiners? So the answer is yes. So in the same way there are so many other things. We will continue and we will learn what are the things which comes under this heading determiners. If I say this car, so it means I am talking about that car which is near to me. If I say my car, so it is about ownership. So car is the noun and before the car, before the noun there is a word this, there is a word my. So these words are actually determiners. It can be divided into several kinds and that depends on the meaning and what they may go with and where they may come in the noun phrase. These are certain conditions which can divide determiners into several kinds. Basically there are 8 classes of determiners and you know them very well. The indefinite articles, the definite articles, demonstratives, possessive pronouns, quantifiers, numbers, distributives and exclamatives. All these 8 come under determiner. So one by one today we will do determiners. First of all I will take the indefinite article. So the indefinite articles are 2 and you have learned since childhood a and an. A is the article which is used before a countable noun beginning with consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Always remember this article is used before countable nouns and it never comes before any consonant or vowel. Here it is clearly mentioned consonant sound or vowel sound. So don't do this mistake. There are so many examples that will prove that this article an is used before vowel sound. Okay, not a vowel. Yes, not a vowel. Yes, vowel means A, E, I, O, U. So not before the vowels. It is before the vowel sound. The definite article, and that you know very well, that is the. The is a definite article and it is used with singular as well as plural nouns. It is used both with countable and uncountables. And there is a long list of using the to be used before the names of the rivers, The is also used before the names of famous rivers, mountains, historical buildings, and the is also used to make something particular. For example, I have seen a boy, and if you are talking about the same boy, then you can say I have seen a boy. The boy was roaming here and there. So when you are talking about a boy, means any boy, but when you are talking about the same boy, then the you have to use. So like this, several rules are there that you can follow, and that I am not going to tell you. Let us continue. The next is possessive pronouns. So these are also determiners only, and you have seen my, your, his, her, its, our. There, I gave my share to her sister. Shona found his book in her car. So these are possessive pronouns, and sometimes we make also possessives like mother, Robert's mother, washroom, the visitor's washroom. So this way we can make possessives also. Let us see the next one. So now you can see quantifiers, and there is a long list of quantifiers because we are using them frequently in our day-to-day life, like some, any, much, no, both, few, little. So these are quantifiers, and these quantifiers are telling about the quantity and number also. So quantifiers also determiners. There is a very important thing about some of the quantifiers like few and little, and a few and a little. So few and little, these are used in negative sense, and when you are talking about positive sense, then you can use a few or a little. Means there are few boys who study in the class, so this is showing disappointment, and there are few boys who are very punctual, so here it is positive case. So few and little, that is negative sense, and a few and a little is actually positive sense. Now numbers, yes, these numbers are also determiners. The cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3 or ordinal number first, second, third, all comes in the category of determiners. See the examples. There is one thing I need to ask you. So this one, or the two boys grew up together in Manhattan. 3 men were found hiding in the building. Their second child. She lost in the third round. So second, third, 1, 2, 3, all these numbers are also determiners. Yes. So for today, up to here only. In the next video, I will tell you about the 2 more determiners. So now thank you for watching, and the quote for today is, there are things that either build you up or tear you down. That is in your hand, you decide. Thank you for watching.